Good morning, students. Last class we are discussing about metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay, and already is discussed the topic difference between the metals and non-metals. Is a very important question. Okay, and 5 more question also. And is it just revising for of this question only? For metals and non-metals, the metals are so if you are using of signing and surface, it's not signing and surface. If for the non-metals, okay, if you generally the metals is hot, if you, non-metals is very soft. Okay, so if a few finds our 6 or 5 finds is discussing for the last class. Okay, and metalloids also is explained. So what is the metalloids? If a metalloids, metals and non-metals, if the properties of metals and non-metals is exhibited, the properties is called then metalloids. Okay, some examples say silicon, organic, antimony. Okay, some of few examples is given for of metalloids. Okay, so today we are discussing about the topic symbols of elements. Okay, so symbols of elements. So what is the symbols of elements? Okay, you know the sodium. Okay, so sodium, you write the sodium, that is a sodium. Okay, but if you chemistry and using of symbols, sodium is Na. Okay, and if you are oxygen, okay, so what is the oxygen symbol? O, correct. So who is the first given the name for of every elements? Okay, so that's only then explain the topic. So symbols of element. Okay, now already explained 118 elements having for of universe. But if 92 elements, if you naturally, if you produce that, okay, and the remaining of elements, if you given for the artificially, if it's created out for laboratory, correct only. Okay, so how can if you given the name for of symbols, and you who is in, given of the name and symbols for the element, so who is authorities is also is explained for of this concept symbols of elements. Okay, a symbol is on a observations or a short referenciation of chemical element, correct. Sodium is a name. If you saw, if you short referenciation of sodium, Na. Okay, so that's only then explain. If you then abbreviations or on short referenciation of chemical elements, there are unique symbols of each elements. If you reference one atom of the elements, okay, so if only one atom of the element sodium, if using of Na, is not given for the another any one of elements, is not given then sodium of a symbol of no Na. Okay, it's only for the identification of symbol Na, it's been only for the sodium, it's not given for the of letter is another element. Okay, so if a symbol is usually is derived from of name of the elements, which either in English or Latin. Okay, so what is the rules? If a name is derived from of name elements, which either English or Latin. Okay, there are symbol is acceptable by international union or pure or applied chemistry. Okay, so IUPAC, that is the abbreviations, very important. So one more question, IUPAC, what is the meaning of IUPAC? So if you are symbol is upsetted, if a organizer, okay, international union of pure and applied chemistry, that is the meaning of if it's abbreviation of IUPAC. Okay, so that is the organizations if authorized for every elements of symbols. Okay, so if you first, if it given of symbols of elements, if a Dalton, okay, if a Dalton was a first scientist, using of symbols of elements is very specific of sense. Okay, so the first scientist Dalton, if you have elements given for the symbols for the symbols of element. Okay, when he used symbols of elements, we also is meet by the define of quality of that elements. Okay, so what is the concept? If a Dalton, if using of symbols, if also for of symbols is if you define the quantity of the element, that is one atom of the elements. Okay, so if Fabricius of suggested, if a symbols of element can be written as one or two letters in name of the elements. Okay, so if also second, if it's next scientist, if using of suggested of symbols elements can be the written of one or two letters name of the elements. Okay, so if your following rules are followed, will be then assigning for the symbols of element. It's very important. If your rules, the two rules is very important. What is the two rules? First one, if a chemical symbols usually is consists of one or two letters, using of one or two letters for the chemical of elements, the symbols of most elements, if they correspond to the of first letter, if which writing of capitalized of their English name. For example, symbol for of oxygen is a symbol of O. Okay, that is a hydrogen H. You will study about the symbols details of in standard 8. Okay, not for given for this 7th. If you briefly explain for the symbols, if 8th standard. Okay, now if you given for some of elements and symbols also, if you find the symbols of elements which helping our teacher. Okay, so if you have gold, the symbol is AU. Okay, if your first letter is a capital letter, if your second letter is small u. Silver, okay, silver, if you're using of AG. Okay, copper CU. And iron, the using of symbol is iron is FE. Okay, and oxygen is a O. Aluminium is a AL. Okay, and calcium Ca, and the phosphorus P, magnesium Mg, and potassium K, and sodium Na. That is some examples for of elements and symbols. What is the rules? If your rules, if you're using of one or two letters, if you're using of elements, and the first letter is capital letter and second letter is small. Okay, suppose if using of only one letter is mean, if using of capital letter only, but that is the rules if you're using for of symbols of elements. Okay, so are you clear? So what is the symbols, what is the symbols of element, and who is the organizers of what is the meaning of IUPAC? Okay, and what is the two rules if you are using of symbols will assign it the symbol of elements? Is very 2 mark question, very important 2 mark question for the assigning for the symbols of elements. Okay, the two rules very important. Okay, and some examples is given for of uh, examples is given for of some elements. Okay, so is already discussed. Okay, it's also for a 1 mark question. Some asking what is the iron is Fe. Okay, and what is the sodium is Na. Okay, some elements and symbols has given us. Okay, and already is explained that briefly when you explain the concept of unit for the standard 8. Okay, are clear students? Okay, and next, if elements in human body. Okay, if you elements in human body and your human body, what is the element is having, if we explain here, nearly 99 percentage of mass our human body is consists of just chemical elements only. Okay, so is a, if you are all the humans, if you nearly the 99 percentage of um, human mass is consists of your elements, chemical elements only. Okay, so if you explain the namely oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus. Okay, some another of 5 elements make up the um, most of elements. Okay, okay, 99 percentage. If your most of percentage is having for of 5 elements. What is the 5 elements? Oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen, and nitrogen, and calcium, and phosphorus. Okay, so another 5 elements making the most of 5 elements least percentage. Okay, there are the potassium, sulfurous, sodium, and chlorine, and magnesium is also having for of some elements in our body. Okay, so is very important concept. Okay, so is a concept which explained for of elements in human body. Okay, and next one, elements in hair. How many elements is having for of hair? Okay, so if a hair is a mixed gases with the molecules of the two different elements, nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, make up about 99 percentage in hair. 1 more question. Okay, how many percentage is having for of in nitrogen and hydrogen? Is in two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen, if make up 99 percentage. Okay, is the rest including of a small amount of argon and carbon dioxide. Another gases such as neon, helium, and methane are percentage of trace hormones. Okay, the oxygen of the life living of elements in hair. 1 more question. Who is the life living of the elements? If oxygen. Okay, it's also very important and elements in hair. Okay, Are clear, friends? Okay, so we discuss the next topic for our components in the next class. Thank you.